What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your lava lamp that's more affordable, more on the cheaper side, to not have as much light bleeding through right here or at the top. All you need is some aluminum foil, and then you just want to fold it over about once, so there's two sides to it, twice the thickness is what I'm trying to say. But it's still going to be thin, but you don't want it to be just paper thin, because then it might be easier to tear while you're trying to fold it around and put it inside the lava lamp. You want to get it as close to the base as you can. As you can see, I didn't really do a great job at that, but I'm not tripping. You can take your time and really get it jam-packed down there if you want to, and then, make sure you don't have too much light bleed going up the bad boy. But as far as I'm concerned, this looks way better than what it was looking like before. And I'm gonna show you what I did, show a little bit of clips, but I'm not gonna be talking over it. I was just trying to focus, so there's no audio over it, but I'm just gonna show quick clips of what it is anyway. And this right here, obviously, is the final situation. Dropping down the ISO a little bit on the camera, and as you can see, it's not showing up too much of nothing at the bottom, and then bumping it up a little bit, still looks nice. This is what the camera wants to auto expose to. So the situation is, it came with this, but it really doesn't block out much light. It just would have it right there, and then they have a lot of light shining all around it. But with this situation, as you can see, if we turn it on, you don't see that much light coming through. It's just at the bottom, and then most of the light's up here. This will also help this bad boy heat up faster. And then all I'm gonna do is just try to drop this in here without bending it up, and then you can just cut around the edge to get the rest off. You can see it's shining just a little bit. If it doesn't bother you, that's cool. You don't have to add anything to it. But if you just want to have only the actual glass shining, then, you're gonna have to do this. If you want to, you can go ahead and take your time and maybe pull it up just a little bit. If it's down too low. Some parts might stick out, but I'm more or less worried about the front angle, so I'm not really tripping. But as you can see, the glow is just coming strictly from the glass, and it looks way more nice that way. The light's more concentrated. And as far as this, you just peel around the sides, get it as close as you can. I don't really mind if it's not perfect. If you want to, you can use your finger, or you can use like a small screwdriver flathead, and then just go around the sides so it's not sticking out and up too much if it's bothering you or anything. But if it's not bothering you, then you don't have to do that. All right, so that's as good as I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I keep on messing with it, trying to get more and more light to not be showing. But this is about as good as you're gonna get it to look with these that have a more see-through situation. Let me turn this correctly, because I didn't even do that the right way. But yeah, from the front, it looks cool, not as bright as it was before. As far as this lava lamp is concerned, this one I believe is from Five Below, but there's tons of other lava lamps on Amazon and other websites. Links down in the description to where you can find them on Amazon. If you do decide to make a purchase, I do make a small commission off the links down below. Majority of the links are affiliate links, but it doesn't cost you any extra, and it'd be greatly appreciated if you use those. And if you slam the like button on this video, if this video helped you out or you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Why is my laptop roaring? It's literally not woke. It is sleep. Windows 11 background operations and updates. Wonderful. Beautiful.